spring is here. Yo! So today we're going to go take a nice nature walk through this big, lush field. I don't know. That's kind of big. I know, Nathan, the road might be hard and it might be dangerous. But don't worry. You're carrying our Anti-Kit health pack. Ugh. Hey, Nathan, can you look about how far we've went? I don't know. I don't think we've gone very far, David. We made it to the end. David, I think we're back at the beginning. Oh dear, we should have never taken that road. I love spring because it's so full of surprises. Achoo! Ah! And there's also lots of chicks in spring. And lots of puppies. And also some weird looking sheep. And now we're in the strawberry patch. Just look at this strawberry right here. Nathan, you ate the strawberry. I'm sorry, but I couldn't help it. Thanks, Nathan. You guys had a perfect strawberry moment. There'll be others. You're making my spring fever more feverish. I'm sorry about your spring seizures, David. Let's just move on now. It's spring fevers! Now you don't look like you've got a fever. Ah! That's our spring. I hope that you keep on loving nature.